Presenting a pre-owned 2012 Mercedes-Benz SLK. This two-door convertible has an 8-cylinder, 5.5-liter V8 engine with rear-wheel drive and a 7-speed AMG SVEDSHI transmission. This Mercedes-Benz has less than 53,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free Auto Check Vehicle History Report. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, wireless data link, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and sunroof.